welcome back to my channel. Yeah, welcome back to Gracefully EUT's channel. I'm the face behind the channel because I know a lot of my family, which you are also a member of, um, happens not to know the face behind this channel because most of the videos I do, I always concentrate the camera in what I'm doing, except those videos that has to do with hair, okay? And I know many people haven't gone through those videos that has to do with hair, yeah. So I'm my name is not Gracefully actually, but I decided to name this channel Gracefully because it is only by the grace of God I'm able to do what I'm doing today and be able to become whom I'm become today. That word grace just, I don't know, it has a big place in my heart, in my body, in my soul, in my spirit that I just can't explain it. So that is why I need this channel that I'm gracefully under God's grace. Yes. And EUT are the first letter words of my children. Yes, because someone asked me in her live stream once, and she was saying, "Oh, gracefully, yes, your name is Grace. EUT, European Union, and the T is for what?" And I was like, and I told her, "No, sis, it's not European Union. They are the first letter words of my children." Okay, so this channel Gracefully EUT, I want to say a big thank you to you all. God bless you all for your support, your love, your sharing me out, your comments, your likes, everything. The comment section, the way you make use of it to encourage me, to correct me in things. I say God bless you. Really, really, really good in all your endeavors. This channel, I'm here to officially introduce what this channel is going to be or it is about. Well, this channel, I created it because of my hair journey and because I'm also into hair business. But as time goes on, as I begin to upload some videos, I found out that why not let people out there, especially the mothers out there, especially the women out there, to know that what they cannot do, they can easily do it. Yes, they can easily do it. So I found out that I have passion for baking, though I'm not a professional. I repeat again, I'm not a professional. I have passion for baking, yeah. I have passion for beverages. I make most of my beverages myself. And I thought wise, like, okay, why not bring this up, okay, and just some cooking that people are trying to find difficult to do. I'm not really the cooking type. That does not mean I don't cook for my family. Yes, I do cook for my family, but I'm not really the cooking type. I'm the type of sweet. Yes, I love sweet. So I prefer to do those sweets for myself to avoid excess sugar and um, ingredients that are not supposed to be in any sweet food, just to, you know, make it professional. So I rather do it myself unprofessional, and I know it's healthy for me. So um what inspired me to start up this channel was the quarantine, the COVID-19 lockdown. Yes, so I was going through that in that lockdown. I was going through my Instagram a lot, and I was following a lot of YouTubers such as Sisi Yemi, Sisi Yenina. I don't want to keep on mentioning names, okay? So and I was getting some new recipes from them that has to do with food. So that was when I decided to share with my husband and said, "Hubby, I think I want to start up a channel." And he was like, "Okay, you already have it. So if you're starting it up, are you starting it up because of your hair business, because you want to grow your hair business?" And I told him, "No, I want to start it for maybe cooking or something." And he said, "I will advise you start it for your hair business because I see that you have passions for hair." And really, I started with my hair videos. Like when I was still learning how to edit videos and those things. I didn't know that I can even make video when even when in a noisy environment. I didn't know I can make videos in a noisy environment. I wasn't really good with editing. So if you go back, if you scroll down to my early videos, you see that my editing was really very very bad. I know I'm still learning, but as time goes on, I'm still trying to learn more about editing. I'm not yet a professional, like that's professional you will say. Okay, I'm still learning. I'm still trying to grow my editing. So I did a very short video and on how I was installing hair bundles into wigs. That video was pretty short. So time get on that it came my daughter's birthday, and I did a very beautiful rainbow multicolor cake for her. And my husband said, are you going to put this also in the YouTube channel, because the cake is really beautiful? And I told him no. He said you should put it there. So then I didn't really have the idea of, oh, I shouldn't mix food with hair or whatever. So I just uploaded it there, and that was the video that really pushed me. Yes, that was the video that really pushed me, because the finishing of the cake was what I uploaded there. The finishing of the cake was what I uploaded, which was a unicorn a unicorn on a rainbow design, but the main cake was multicolor. That was the real video that said you can do it, just go for that, you can do it. So since then, that was when I decided to say, okay, I saw the comments from people that even I shared it to my Facebook. I had like 50 something subscribers immediately after I uploaded that rainbow cake. So that really gave me the encouragement and say I can do it. And that was what has been keeping me going, yes. And as I said, I'm not a professional of anything, because if you call yourself a professional, there are a lot of people out there who are more professional, and there is no harm in trying things for the first time and bringing it to the public, so that the public can correct you, so that you yourself, when you're watching it and comparing it with others who are professionals, you will know how far or how well you're doing or how well you're going. Like the first donut cake, first donut video I made, I pinned it and said, I am not a professional. Really, it was my first time of making donuts. But I brought it out to the public, okay? But the comments was like, oh, you did a very good job for your first time, you know. But since then, I've been doing it, but I haven't brought it back here. Maybe in the future, I think I'm still learning and trying to become better. So maybe in the future, I'll bring it up and show you how professional I am now with the donuts, okay? Because my daughter loves donuts. My daughter loves donuts. I repeat that again. My daughter loves donuts. She's a lover of donuts. So instead of me going to the supermarket or going to the bakery shops to buy those really sugary ones, I can easily fix it for her and do designs for her, because she loves it because of those designs, those sweet designs. So I can easily do those things for her, and it's more likely more healthy for her, because I know what she's eating, I know what it contains. So I want to say this channel is for you out there. Yes, you watching me that is not yet a professional, or that is not yet a editor professional. This is for you. This channel, Gracefully UT, is for you, because with this channel you want to learn, okay? You want to learn things that you don't know how to do through me, because I try to make my video as short as possible and explain as much as I can for you to be able to learn. So I will have to say thank you. And for those of you who always try to know where I come from, I'm from Edo State in Nigeria, West Africa. I know almost the whole world knows Nigeria. We are very famous in the whole world. The good, the bad, the ugly, it's from that country. So I'm from Edo State, Nigeria. Those people say I don't look from Edo State, but yeah, I'm from Edo State, Benin precisely, okay? I'm a Benin woman precisely, married with kids. And presently I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I can't just wait to see you all coming along with me in this journey. God bless you all, and don't forget to just remind you that I'll be uploading some few food recipes, but mostly this channel is gonna be about um, baking and beverages. Yes, to refresh you and straighten you. You know what I mean? Huh? You know what I mean? Don't mind me, Jay. Don't mind me. Don't just mind me, okay? So, I want to say if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do click on the right button down there. Yeah, the button down there which says subscribe. Click on it. It will bring out 3 bells icons. Click on the top one so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified immediately on your notification YouTube channel or in your YouTube app. Okay, God bless you all. I want to say, if you are already a subscriber, I love you and I appreciate you, and I thank you for continuing supporting me. Please don't just subscribe and not coming back to watch my videos, because the video is made for you. So please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can always come back and watch my channel. So stay blessed and stay safe until next video. Bye.